Hey, how's it going, people? Thanks for stopping by. Anyway, I had one in here that I had to show you. This is a 91 Chevy, it's a K2500 Cheyenne, four-wheel drive, 3/4 ton, a 91. And look at this thing, it's all original. It has never had any body work done. And everyone always comments, don't you guys have rust up there? And we really don't. I mean, these trucks, I don't know, this is like a barn find anywhere else, especially if you're in the Rust Belt. I'd challenge you to find anything close to this. Here's the only real rust spot on this truck, just this right cab corner. And I mean, I don't know what happened there. It may have been damaged and just kind of eroded away. But typically there would be no rockers or doors or fenders. Look at these rear fenders on the bed. It looks like, yeah, this was a Chevy hater. Probably a Ford guy that did this. It's like about a 44 Magnum round went through there. But it's just amazing. And no, we don't use salt on our roads. I know there's probably lots of reasons to use salt on the roads. You guys have a lot of freeze-thaw cycles, especially in the Northeast. This one's used for plowing too. It usually has a plow on it. I made him take it off today, but I think it's a testament for not using road salt. We just plow our roads a lot. We have lots of plow trucks, and this is the result. We also use a lot of studded tires. So there's a big tire business. A lot of people switch over to winter tires. There's a lot of studless tires now. Those are actually work pretty well up here. But so the studs wear the road surface a lot, and we pay a lot of money to have our road surfaces redone. So there is a trade-off. But I mean, I would much rather not have my vehicles rot in half. Anyway, I thought I'd share this one with you. Kind of a rare find. Nice truck. It's got a 350 in it. It's been a little beat up, but all original. I put an alternator on it today. It's an all new alternator. And pretty plain Jane TBI motor. These were the good old days. Good old days. You probably wouldn't get away with using tie wraps to hold your grill together, but we do what we need to do up here. All right, well, got more vids on the way. Thought I'd check in with y'all. We'll catch you next time. Have a good one.